I've only had the bike 7 days and it beats me up every day.
You ever walk behind your Harley-Davidson Street or Road Glide only to be assaulted by your OEM radio antenna? You find yourself in a constant barrage of skinny lefts and rights trying to fight back, but it still manages to best your ass? Well, boy, does Harley-Davidson have a solution for you. This here is the Boom Audio Shorty Antenna, a quick, easy, and affordable replacement for that OEM POS. An install that will literally take you 60 seconds to do while still having money in your pocket to go and buy other expensive upgrades for your bike. First things first, we ditch the packaging. After balancing the Shorty antenna in your hands a few times, make sure the female thread lead is inside the antenna housing. Yes, this one right here. Line it up, do a quarter turn to the left and back to the right until tight. Give it a good old tug and thump, and you're done. But yeah, that's a lot better. And yeah, I know it's not like a $500 sissy bar install or a new seat or something like that, but like I said, I've only had the bike 7 days. Give me a chance to get this expensive adventure started, because everything is expensive. I just found out to get the Custom Dynamics LED full bike kit, it's like $400. Now, I've put LEDs on a bike before and on cars, and I never charged $400 to do it. And I've done the entire car and the entire bike. Well, most of the time it was Suzuki. I didn't have a Harley to put the lights on, so I got to be real careful if I want to do anything by myself on this bike, because they keep crying about, the warranty, you're going to mess your warranty up. Well, hey, you know, if it comes to like putting the handlebars or something on like that, I'll have another company do it, or I'll have Harley do it. But if I want to change out the bags, or I don't know, the toe shift or the mirrors or something like that, I'm going to do it. And we got to keep it hush. So mum's the word. I'm thinking about getting the Clockworks windshield, although this one is fine. I do like the Clockworks, the way it kind of comes up and deflects the air up a little higher. And I'm thinking about wrapping this inner cowl. I might vinyl wrap this. There's no need on me getting a new one. But these things right here, those are ugly. I got to do something about those. I got to find out what's going on with that. And these things. Oh my God, they just kind of throw it off. I don't know what's up. But like I said, that's in time. We're going to get some stuff done eventually, because the way my wallet is set up, I still want to give her a name. I'm riding her every day. I'm rambling. See y'all later.